ngiyathokoza ngithathe leli thuba ngilotshise iPola Pastors Forum, ngithathe leli thuba ngilotshise isumi lamadoda abobaba abaphuma la, ngithathe leli thuba ngilotshise iDepartment of Health ingoma forum ngaphansi kopholo kwaba uMahlangu bekakhuluma la. Ngingamkhohlwa njani uDokotela uma uNosimpi, ngiyakulotshisa maqhawele khethu, ngilotshise okoloneli beyiteshi zombili sasePola nesase Office. Deputy Minister Mama uNamabona, sibonile, ngiyakulotshisa ebizweni lenkosi yethu Jesu Kriste. Ngilotshise uProfessor Ulanga under Inongwane, ngithokoze ma for i-crown, ngithokoze for ukurecognize ubukhosi. Ngilotshise the Chief Whip of Nkangala District uma ukhoni Nkalinchana, she's also a rider. Ngiyabona isithuthuthi sakhe sikhona lapha. Abondaba ezitha bonke abakhona la ebasingathe lo mnyanya, ngingeze ngababala ngamabizo namkhana ngegodlo. The moving movement sibonile nayo ikhona khona la. Baza ngilibalela ke engaka balotshisi, kodwa kuzaba iphutha nengakashoko ukuthi Vukuzakhe thokoze abogogo labo ebakhona emphakathini. Mthungulu, sithandwa sempilo yami, love of life, ngiyathokoza mawe Sithaba, zabe kuyiphutha elikhulu nengathi nengahlala ngingatsho ukuthi sikima bakubone. Just show yourself ma. Ngiyathokoza Namati, mangena bengakachoko ukuthi hlala phasi, ufuna baba lathani uzangaphambili, lathani uzangaphambili babona inyana bakubone abakubone ya ungeze ngapha phuma lapho lapho eflegeni lakaSoguthe lapho. Mdlunkulu, sithandwa sami, ngalonde mangena ngezitho, abanye bangena ngemqondo. Wena obelethwa insizwa ezinsizweni, ngitho insizwa abomtsholo, babezala wami ke loyo obelethwa yile insizwa lela umtsholo. Siyathokoza umlandu kuthiwa omadi laba lo ebakhanda umkhonto kaShaka. Siyathokoza mangalonde mangena ngezitho. Angithathe leli thuba ke lapha, ngiyathemba ukuthi nizojabula kakhulu. Traditional leaders, traditional healers, abalaphi bendabuko, I love you so much. You are recognized. Phakamisa izandla, thokoza gogo. Bafundi bami, ngizojabula kakhulu namhlanje inkulumo yami ngezwi ngiphethe neBhayibheli la. Now ngizofunda uMateyu 1 verse 1. Ebafunde kakhulu bathi basitshele ngeTestamente elidala, bafocusa kilo ke leli elitsha. Mateyu 1 verse 1 ngizogcina ku6. Isizukulwane zikaJesu, umhlolo ukubelethwa kukaJesu Kristu, indodana kaDavide, indodana kaAbraham. U-Abraham ubeletha u-Isaka, u-Isaka ubeletha uJakobe, uJakobe ubeletha uJuda nabafowabo, uJuda wabeletha uFaresi noZara, kuTamari. Now note, sonke lesikhathi bengatsho ukuthi laba abanye babelethwa kubani, mara siyachenja manje ikibelethwa kuTamari. Kumele ukufuna kumfundisi wakho ngoba ngizama ukuthi ngiphutshe isikhathi, angifuni ukuthuma yena. uFaresi wabeletha uEsironi, uEsironi wabeletha uAmari, uAmari wabeletha uAminadaba, uAminadaba wabeletha uNasomi, uNasomi wabeletha uSalimoni, uSalimoni wabeletha uBoase kuRabi, uBoase wabeletha uObede kuRute, uObede wabeletha uJesayi, uJesayi wabeletha uDavide inkosi. Amen. Now ngicela ukuthi inkosi ngizama ukukhomba ukuthi namakhosi nawo akhona eBhayibhelini. And uyazwa musi ngifunda umlando kaJesu. Nangiqeda ukufunda umlando kaJesu sengiya emlandweni wekhethu. Now uSogutshe uvela endlini yakoMthabe. Indlu yakoMthabe ikhamba ngale ndlela ke. uMthabe lo ubeletha ndabezitha ngicabanga ukuthi okunye udlulisile emntakekhethu undabezitha uMagodonke. Ngizongena ngendlini yekhethu. uMthabe lo ubeletha uMahwanga uSokhanubane liduba laka 1855. uSokhanubani lo ubeletha umtshitshi uSogutshe lo engithiyelelwe ngaye namhlanje. uSogutshe lidlaza 1887. uSogutshe lo kuthe ngo-1895 wanikwa indawo yase-Orhis le esikiyo namhlanje namaplasi azombeleze yona ukuthi akeze azokubusa kiyo. Now umtshitshi kaMokoro lo uSogutshe ukhuluma ngayo ubuse kunazi izindawo nangilandelela iKhandlela, You the Best, iOrhis, kaSikumane lapho ekubizwa ngokuthi kwaFelete. 1943 walala washiya indodana okuthiwa nguGutshe. uGutshe lo uSiphelisa udlule amadlaza azange awawelise amadlaza ke uSogutshe lo ngamadlaza bekwele umfowabo wawelela eSenteni lapho khona ebekuzinze umkhosi bakuSomphalale. You remember ukuthi iNgwenyama uMayicha wafudukisa isitshaba wasisa ngemthambothini. I think it was 1920 wona wezeta 1923 nikafudukisa isitshaba leso asisa ngemthambothini. Wasala ke indlu yakaSomphalale ngasekwahlanga ngaseSenteni lapha kwaba uSogutshe. Now uGutshe ngalo unyaka engubalako bekasatrainwa nguSomphalale eSenteni. Waweliseke amahasa wathoma ukwelisa amahasa ngo-1951. Waseke ugcina ukwelisa amaduba ngo-1957. Ngiyathokoza ukuthi ubaba uMahlangu mhlawumbe ungaphakama ngaphasi kweThende ufakazele into engiyitshoko ukuthi uGutshe lo ugcine ngawo ukwelisa. Ayede nawe ngizama ukuletha umlando wekhethu njengoba uNdabezitha uMagodongo atshilo ukuthi ubukhosi bakakhe. Now ngingena ekululweni yami yelanga ngithi simaNdebele we are proud and siyathokozela ukuthi onyakeni lo ogadungileko isiNdebele ngoNdabezitha siphaswe nge-100%, okutsho ukuthi isiNdebele siyafundeka and isiNdebele siyafuneka ukuthi singene enkolweni. Ngaphansi kwaloko sithokoze umama uMsisi Zodwa Ntuli uNamahlangu ngokuthi abe the first principal yo-introducer isiNdebele ekhona kuso lesikolo lesi ekubizwa ukuthi iHlanguphala. By the way, nangikhuluma ngeHlanguphala ngikhuluma ngembongo ezimbili, uMahlangu noPhaladi. uPhaladi lo wafika afundile, wafikela emzini wekhethu usesengapha e-ofisi emva kwesiporo, wafikela kuGutshe uMahlangu wabawa ukuthi noma akube nesikolo, waseke-ke senzeka-ke isikolo sabizwa ngeMahlangu noPhaladi sathi Hlanguphala. If there's anyone who wants to dispute that, akeze phambili sizama ukukhomba ukuthi ubukhosi bekhethu buyaphi. Now with that word ngeHlanguphala, we are honored ukuthi this Hlanguphala ebizwa ngoPhaladi noMahlangu is the most cleanest primary school in the province of Mpumalanga under the capable leadership yakama uNamahlangu uZodwa Nduli. We are proud ngale sikolo, ngizama ukutshela ukuthi isiNdebele siyafundeka siyaphaseka. Ama-student amathathu kodwa unumber 1 ekufundeni isiNdebele khona la eHlanguphala, that deserve a round of applause. We are also proud to Bondabezitha that isiNdebele kulonyaka lo has been introduced eMakawosi, and we are making no apology for izikolo eze-introducer isiNdebele emalokitshini wamaNdebele. Ngesikhathi samanje it is high time ukuthi amaNdebele avumele ukugandelelwa. We've waken up njengako sithi vula Ndebele busile, so sithi isiNdebele asingene enkolweni, nomthetho waseMpumalanga uyasivuna ukuthi isiNdebele asingene. Ngoba na ukhuluma ngeMpumalanga ikhuluma ngamaSwati, ikhuluma nangamaNdebele. In the Nkangala region we are saying ukuthi magabi nesikolo esinganaso isiNdebele. Ake ngikhulume nge-Human Rights Month. Nge-Human Rights Month njengobukhosi bakoSogutshe kunabantwana abaphila ngobuswephe, nawungazi-ke isiNdebele sisho abantwana that are living with albinism. Ngalo le Human Rights Month ubukhosi bakoSogutshe identified 13 yalabantwana sihelebha uma lapha uSonto, our former councillor nangabe ukhona ngasikima aphakamise isandla sithokoza. We identify 13 yalabantwana sakhona ukuthi sithathe labantwana sibashe kuma-specialist e-UJ lapho bahlolwa khona amehlo, babuya khona banikezwa ama-specs ukuthi bakhone ukubona kuhle njengoba sazi ukuthi banenkinga yamehlo. Sisesekulokho, there's a man-to-man talk esayenza noZola 7 bekangazelanga uzokucula kodwa bekazosilekelela simadoda ngokuthi amadoda we are going through a lot. Bondabezitha inkinga ekulu for i-gender based violence ekhona esiyibonayo edlangele yinokuthi sekufokhaswe kakhulu kibobaba siyekela lama-culprit, esekufokhaswe kakhulu kiboma siyekela lama-culprit wabo baba ebenza le-gender based violence evela ikakhulukazi ngabo. But we are saying nabo abobaba banenkinga zabo bayahlukumezeka, nabo bahlukumezwa abomama. Yingakho sibiza ngokuthi gender based violence. I see gender based violence when coming to abomama kuphela, kodwa it's a gender based violence also when it coming to abobaba. So besifuna ukuthi uZola 7 lo azosifulela sizizwe kakhulu ingoma zakhe, so azositshela ngoba simbonile he has gone through a lot. The event was successful. Ngiyisese phezu kwalokho e-office lapha e-office ngikhuluma nge-Human Rights Month. Lapha e-office kunomntwana ebathungu siyabonga Mthula eOrhiswol. Umntwana lo uhlaselwe isifo somdlavuza. Nangaba umazi umdlavuza ngeSindebele leso, nangaba umazi umdlavuza ngizotsho ngesikhuluka ukuthi uhlaselwe yicancer. Sibonile ke umndeni wakhe ungena ku social media ubawa ihelebho. Umndeni wakhe nobawa ihelebho. Umndeni wakhe nobawa ihelebho. uNdabezitha ukhonile ukuthi aqhumane nabosomabhizinisi. Asomabhizinisi umndeni wakhe ufuna ukuraise imali engango 50,000 ukuze lo mntwana akhone ukuthola isizo esibhedlela. Abosomabhizinisi uNdabezitha wasabona abosomabhizinisi bakhona la elokishini, and I'm so proud ukuthi ngithi bakhona la elokishini. Leli ilokishi esikilo ePhola, Orhis and surrounding farm. Bekufuneka 50,000. Deputy Minister and Chief Whip, I'm proud to announce ukuthi abosomabhizinisi bakhona la elokishini eMalahleni FM. They were able to raise 50,000, more than 50,000 kuleyo mntwana obekayifuna. Ngiyathokoza ukuthi abosomabhizinisi labo bakhona ukuthi bahloniphe uNdabezitha and raise imali leyo baze bayibhansele ngo-5,000. Abosomabhizinisi abaparticipatile iKurunaha, yi-On Point, yi-Bridging Digital, yi-Special Cash Loan, yi-Ectabis, and siyaphusha. Ngicabanga ukuthi asibawasele izandla. Nawo siyabereka siwubukhosi. Siyafuna ke ukuthi ku-revive ama-morals and ethics. Ngaloko ke the Honorable Speaker of Enkangala District, Ubaba uBoshomane, under his leadership uBoshomane ukhonile ukuthi avuse into leya ebesekhohliwe esikhohliwe namkhana silibele ekuthiwa i-Moral Regeneration Movement. Now ku-Moral Regeneration Movement Enkangala District, I'm proud to announce ukuthi ile alontshiwe ama-Moral Regeneration kibo 6 yalo masipala. Sizawukhumbula ukuthi iMalahleni Enkangala District Municipality consists of 6 municipalities, which is eMalahleni, Victor Khanye, Thembisile Hani, Dr. JSM Moroko, eMakhazeni, then Steve Tshwete, Gisvale Ziphelele. So the Moral Regeneration ihlonyiwe kuzo zonke le ndawo, and I'm proud to announce ebantwini bekhethu ePhola ukuthi uNdabezitha wenu ku-Moral Regeneration Movement kwiNkangala District unobhala walapho. Now ama-focus point wethu as a Moral Regeneration Movement, Colonel, Station Commanders, Moral Regeneration Movement, the focus point that I priority, it's a murder, it's rape, stop theft, and the issue of gender-based violence. Sizobanani ke Station Commanders ukuthi sizame ukuthi sehlise lezinto. Sibonile ke in particular Dr. JS Moroko nangale boThembisile Hani, indaba ze-stop theft zikhule kakhulu with i-Forceman Police Station elidayo ngemeda. Nangikhuluma ngemeda including abantu besifazane esibabulalayo thina sibantu besilisa. Yingakho i-Man of Truth is standing ukuthi abobaba sibabuyise endleleni, sibuyise isimilo nokuziphatha kwabobaba. Now ubukhosi has participated kuma program akhona elokishini. One of the programs ekhonile ukuthi participate kulo successfully so ama-school safety campaign. Ama-school safety campaign la sibambisene nabokhulisa, sibambisene ne-FOVOC, sibambisene ne-MOT which is Men of Truth, sibambisene ne-Pastoral Forum, sibambisene nesipholisa sala ekhaya i-SAPS. Sikhonile ukuthi nakuthoma sivula inkolo sivakashele zonke inkolo ukuze sibuyishe isimilo sabantwana enkolweni, ngoba siyabona manje abantwana bayasiphuluka, babe nabotitshare bathengisa indakamizwa enkolweni, abantwana babasidisi basesenkolweni. Yingakho uyabring in amatshitshi azokukhomba ukuthi uyakhona ukuthi ubambe ubuntombi bakho. Bobaba nani isikhali ukuthi nidlale irole yenu, nibize insizwa, nibize abesana, nibalethe lawo ukuthi nabo nibagile bakhona ukuvala amazipho, ngoba ngeke sithi yavala namathanga abasana bese bona sa-encourage ukuthi bavule amazipho. So we want to win the issue of a teenage pregnancy if nasenza njalo. Now under the leadership yakanJunkulu, uNjunkulu wabantu wasekhona Office and Surrounding Farm, uNjunkulu has introduced indaba zokuthi abantwana bamantombazana each and every school bakhona ukuthi bathole ama-sanitary pads, which is the proposal awayithatha wayinika iDlenko. Unyaka ophelile they fully supported zonke inkolo zathola ama-sanitary pads. Engicabanga ukuthi nonyaka lo bakwenzile lokho ngoba it's a trust esayinika bona, benza i-commitment ukuthi siyokwenza njalo. Under isigodlo sabo sokutshe sisebenzisana namakhampani akhona endaweni. Enye yamakhampani ikhona la iMolase, sikhonile ukuthi sisungule isithuba lela elabizwa ngokuthi take a boy child to work. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi abesana labangathi siyabayekelela kakhulu, sikhonileyo ukuthi sithathe abesana abasenkolweni sabasa eMolase emayini ukuthi bazobona ukuthi le mali esibadukulela kangaka, lento le bayifuna lapha bayithola kanjani, and ama-opportunity akhona yeyimaphi. That we have done eMolase mining. Nisesekhona kuMolase mining, we appreciate indlela i-management yakhona efundise ngayo labafana, ngoba ubonile nje ukuthi nebabuya lapha i-mindset yabo beseyitshentshile. Sesekuma-program enziwa isigodlo nenye ikhampani futhi emayinako khona la ePola Office and Surrounding Farm. We're able to assist abantwana bethu ababhalako manje ama-trial ukuthi senza iveke namkhana i-weekend eyodwa yokuthi abantwana sibagrile, bringing abo-professor from UJ ukuthi babuye bazogrila labantwana kuma-subject afana nabo-maths, economics, physical science, nabo-business kanye ne-geography. So of course kukhonile ukuthi kubagrile, and we have received a good response from our teacher abantwana lebasabuyele ekolweni. During the Women's Month, uNdlunkulu wabantu ukhonile ukuhosta a Women's Day enkulu kakhulu ongasukuka lapho khona akhona uku-empowerisha the women in our community, not only uba-empowerisha ngokomqondo phela, kodwa ngoba-empowerisha ngokuthi athuthukise amabhizinisi wabo through ithungela. I can proudly say ukuthi kunabosomashishini ababili, omunye ukhonile ukuthi awine izinto zesanyoni nithi ama-beautician, ukhonile ukuthi awine imaterial kulowo mqimbi loyo. Omunye ke wawina istofu esikhulu sobhaka. Now Deputy Minister and Chief Whip, the challenge esinayo ngale stofu ukuthi sisewaya la kunenyoka khona, and we can't and we will never as ukhosi bakosoguje si encourage izinto ezisebenza illegally. So kubalulekile ke ukuthi lama company wabalayo la they must create amathuba omsebenzi ukuze abantu bakhona ukuthi babuye bazokhona ukubhadala ama services kumasipala so that they can pay for electricity, because sesinabo masipala abancane abakhona elokishini bokuzenzela. During the Mandela Day ngisakhuluma ngama program womkhosi we able to assist ubaba omdala engeke yimusho ukuthi ubaba ubani, kodwa kubonakele emaphepheni lapho khona sikhonile ukuthi ubaba simhalede ngendlu ebeseyiwa sakhona ukuthi si-renovate. Abomama bevukuzakhe abogogo ebebakade bakhala ngokuthi nasize sizilolonga ndaba ezitha, sizilolonga ngoLwesithathu, sizilolonga na Friday, I think na Monday, kodwa nasifike la sibogogo asinako ukuya ngasethunjini sizokhona ukuthi sinande sidla. So ubukhosi ngokusekelwa amanye amakhampani akhona la election bakhonile ukuthi benze i-pledge lokuthi bazonikela bogogo i-grocery each and every month wevukuzakhe on the age. Vukuzakhe ubukhosi babosoguje bukhonile ukuthi bakusekele i-Emalahleni Child Welfare ngokuthi be-participate golf era ebekhona, which was aimed ekutheni ukuthi iraise ama-fund for labantwana under the capable leadership of umama usesi umele uNamthweni. Siyathokoza Namthweni for ukunakekela abantwana. May the good Lord enlarge your territory. Now, of course, babosoguje, we want to be clear, and we are in full support of industrial robbers, bikers. Ekhona la engonawo namabhiker wabo siyaba le event ebayenzako nabo ngonyaka. We are pleading nama companies ukuthi they must support that event. That event is not about the entertainment, but it's aimed ukuthi to raise ama funds. Sibonile ke ba-assista eMalahleni municipality ukuthi bakhe indlu, bakhele umndeni omunye nawo oboswele. Sibonile ke balwaba abanye abantu abafowethu. Sibonile bapha abantu ama-grocery. Nala ephona sibonile benza phezulu lapha eMatawosi bafukela lapho khona ekwakushe khona i-roof. So I'm talking about umsebenzi we-industrial robbers, bikers under the capable leadership yeka-President ubaba uNkomo. Now to prove to you that akudlalwa ka-industrial robbers, bikers, uPresident kule business ekhona la nayo i-business leyo yawina during the Women's Month umshini wokwenza ama-popcorn ne-ice cream. Now listen to this. The president of industrial robbers, bikers uthe kulo muntu owenza ama-popcorn lapha akenza ama-popcorn anika abantwana aba-100. Awu naba nomona nomuntu wamabhizinisi. That deserves a round of applause. That is why kuyo yonke iminyanya makhoni Nkalintshana noma uDeputy. That is why yonke iminyanya esiyenzayo we are ensuring ukuthi we develop our small businesses esikhona. That is why nibona nalama trade ala it's our local companies. So we are intentionally ngokuthi siphakamise amabhizinisi akhona emphakathini. Now ngikaze ngiba i-stadium yovi ake ngene kuma-community project engazi ukuthi umphakathi ubhekile uyabona. iMasakhane the sport forum ngiyacabanga ukuthi they are worrying abantu besport ukuthi kanti iMasakhane le iphelanile. iMasakhane iku-phase 2 yokuthi iphele. Now let me tell you, that is why we say ukuthi akube nesimilo, akube nokuziphatha, kube nokuzwelana. Into leyo ukuthi singathandani, kungabi ne-unity. Izinto eziningi zibangwa yithi thina umphakathi. Ngoba ama-project ayama just because kubangwa ukuthi i-CLO iyophuma ku-white bar. But kube besibambene besingeke sibe nenkinga yokuthi i-CLO iphuma ku-white bar. Because we know ukuthi le CLO ezoba khona i-interest yabo izoba yonke lama-ward. That is why I'm not Ndabezitha wase Ward 81, Ward 28 and Ward 30. Ndabezitha wase Phola, Office and surrounding farms. Now let's applaud imisebenzi eyenzekayo also. Siyabona ama-park akhona. Deputy Minister, I don't know, but there was a soil turning owayenza nobaba uDD asese uPremier. I don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani, but I see sekune park lapho owenza khona i-soil turning. But we appreciate ukuthi rather than ukuthi indawo ihlale kube nezibi, akube khona i-park abantwana bethu bakhona ukudlala khona. Now let us warn abantu abadala nabantu abosomabhizinisi, because nawukhuluma ngama-park abantu sebayacabanga nje ukuthi kula siyobhemela khona ama-happy, kula khona siyosithela khona imicimbi yethu siyijukuse. That park is meant ukuthi abantu barelaxe khona, abantwana bethu bakhona ukuthi baphole khona. And Colonel, that park we must guard it with into zethu zonke, ngamandla wethu, ngamehlo wethu, ngezandla zethu, nangabo bonke every resources ezoba at our disposal ukuthi sigade lama-park. Angafani nehholo leli esenziwe umuhlwa. Now kule hholo lela esenziwe umuhlwa, there's a project ezako by Ithungela which is called Industrial Park. Ama-engineers asese-busy checking i-structure. Ayeda abanye bathi no hayi sephiwe i-tender. Ayikho beke leyo, akuna-tender eseliphiwe, iseseyindaba ekhona nje, isesephatha ama-engineers asabhekile, asazi nokuthi i-structure kasakhona sizoba njani. But we are saying ukuthi lapha kule industrial park akuprioritize amabhizinisi akhona ePhola, eMalahleni, really Greater Witbank. If nasekho iskill la ePhola, let us move to Witbank. If nasekho iskill eWitbank, let us move to Ekurhuli. But we are saying ukuthi asenze sure ukuthi lama industrial park abantu bethu bamasomabhizinisi bayabenefita, so that umsebenzi izokhona ukcreateka for nina abantwana benkosi, for isitshaba. And we want to make it clear nakubo abosomabhizinisi bala ePhola ukuthi singathi nasenithola amathuba womsebenzi bese senilanda abantu enzobabhadala cheap ngaphandle niyekele abantwana baselokishini. Now ake ngisho ukuthi ile Thungela engikhuluma ngayo industrial park ikhonile ukuthi ithathe deputy minister noma ukhoni Nkalintshana more than 20 yabosesi nabobaba yabafaka la emabande for ukuba prepare ukuthi bakwazi ukuthunga nithi isewing. Labantu labo baqualifyile bathole itifata zabo they were getting istipend kulo lokho, and futhi okumnandi kakhulu azanke babafundise babashiya nje babanikele umshini sitodatshukele la kulo mcimbi wakaSobhutshe akafune kulabo ahamba bethumisa ibhuku. With that being said, angisho ukuthi futhi le moyelase le ebengikhuluma ngayo ikhonile ukuthi nayo ithathe ama-Britishen also under the capable leadership yaka former councillor uma uSonto ukuthi bathathe ama-Britishen awu-10 khona la elokishini mama uNamabona noma ukholi uNkalintana bahamba baseGoli laba khona amthola ukuthi kule nyanga bayaqeda laba khona they are getting a stipend. I'm told ngathi it's more than 5. It's more than 5. Abasafuna ukuya. So where the mining industry, where our companies are doing well, we must applaud them. When they are doing bad, we must also ukuthi sibatshele ukuthi anisenzeli kahle ngendlela right mama. Njengoba nawe kumele sicele nongasenzeli kahle. With that being said, senivala we have heard in a voice note ibuya komunye. I don't think ukuthi usale eWitbank or usala eMalaseni, but uthi usala eMalaseni. I-voice note ithi, now you want to hear this. Ithi thina ePhola sithatha umshini sidlale ngawo, basinikela umshini sidlala ngawo, sibehave njengabantu basemaplazini, and that is an insult for us. Abantu ebakhonile ukuthi baproduce umeyara waseMalahleni okonamhlanje umuntu omu-deputy minister. It's a great insult in particular for Ukhosi bakaSobhutshe. They are saying ukuthi silintatha ngamanye amagama nakuye emaplasini, but I'm saying ukuthi sibuya emaplasini njengoba iPhola la iyakhiwe abantu ebabuya emaplasini. And I can say to that person today, umuntu obuya emaplasini is a secretary in the district ye-Rural Regeneration Movement. We can say ukuthi to that person ukuthi we have produced the best elokishini. Nekangakholwa akaye eCape Town ayobuza ukuthi asinaye uDr. Sindane na. He's from the farm. Wakhona la ubabakhe wakhona la eSobeni ungunobhala. I can say to that person akavakashele eMwelase abone ukuthi angeke athole i-safety officer efunde eThuthukani, efunde eMabande, efunde eSukumani, yaphethelisa imfundo zayo eMehlwana. I'm saying to that person, we are not fools and we deserve umshini ukuthi siuphathe. We are not going to be told by umunye umuntu ukuthi umshini kumele siusebenzise njani. We must support our business people who are elokishini, and we must be able ukuthi sikhona uwatshela lapho ayenzi khona right nalapho enza khona right, kumele sibakhona ukuthi siwatshele. Let me tell them ukuthi we are behind you mama uNamthweni weVaithoven. We don't thina azange sizwe ukuthi you were found guilty by a court of mismanaging our funds wase-Eskom. Until that is proven, we are behind you. Siyathokoza ukuthi ukhona abogogo lapha bebasantela ukuthi ikhipha nazi seziyavithika is because sasithola ngeVaithoven. Mama uMthweni, mama uNtshali, don't listen to our voice note. Angeke anisebenzele ndawo. Come, rope in the politician, rope in those people and sebenzisana nawo in the higher position, and come back and make iPhola ukuthi ibe a better community. Ngiyathokoza mzakhethu sengisaphelisa ake ngithokoze bonke abosomabhizinisi ebakhonile ukuthi basupporte lo mnyanya lo. Ngithi ke sibonile ke abantu bentofu zehasi babhizi mama bayazifaka mama uDeputy nomama uChief Whip. Now ekuseni sivuswe ihasi eblastile kamakhelwane lapho ebekhona isilahlo. Now we want ukuthi sithi kulaba ebafaka into which is a good thing because bathi bafuna ukusinceda of reduce population ukuthi siphalazeka komoya. But we are saying ukuthi as bafakela labantu intofu zamahasa, let them educate our people better about the danger yokusebenzisa ihasi, about the advantages and the disadvantages of ukusebenzisa kwehasi. Let us applaud also ebokucima umlilo although bakhonile ukuthi bafike late kodwa bakhonile ukuthi bafike. Kuyakhomba ukuthi uhulumeni wethu uyasebenza. Ake sisho ukuthi abantu bakithi they must know emergency number just to call in 112. Yabona ngeke kulahleke. Let's wazi ukuthi 1 + 1 is 2. That is an emergency number ozoyifonela bazokubuza ukuthi ukuphi ufuna usizo, then usizo liyashesha. But abantu abakwenzile ukuthi bagijimile bayokokodela ama-firefight. Let me tell you, but yeah, balele umsebenzi wabo vele nekunganamlilo kumele balale. That is why kunokhanje lapha. So nebabathola i-alarm bavuswa yiyo. Abantu bekhethu kumele baku-understande lokho and akumelanga sibaqoshe labantu ngoba lapha nabantu kumele nebafika kushile emzini in particular iyouth nebafika kushile emzini noma bafike late, but nebafika lapho kumele ba-assesse bathole ukuthi kushise ikususa yini. After that bakhona ukuthi bagcwalise amafomu so that u-department azokhona ukuthi asize lo mndeni. Nembaqosha there is no report, uDepartment akasakhona ukuthi asize umndeni ngezingubo nawebhozi. So abantu bakithi kumele baku-understande lokho. Asisho ukuthi ngithembile ukuthi nebenza right kumele simtshele, nebenza wrong kumele simtshele, but we must know ama-emergency number. Mzakwethu ngiyathokoza kakhulu kundaba ezitha ebakhonile ukuthi ukuthi bafile la. Ngithokoze mnewethu ukhulume kuhle wathi indlu yaboThabe ishoda ngendlu yinye namhlanje ukuthi indlu nkulu ihlangane. Sisho senethi ngendlu yinye. Ngithokoze Zinyana laboSomasela, ngithokoze Zinyana labosethina abantu, ngiyathokoza baboSogutshe, sithokoze kakhulu. Sithola sekhethu ngiyathokoza ukuthi iminyanya yaboSogutshe nihloniphe akaze kubizwe ukuthi kunesehlakalo esimbi esivelile after umnyanya kaSogutshe. Siyathokoza. Ngisasaphelisa sizobawa-ke abantu bebhola we know ukuthi sinibambe kakhulu, but sizame-ke ukuthi abohali ngiyacabanga ukuthi it's their time yokuthi beze basihelebhe si-ishuwe ama-trophy. But ngaphambi kokuthi ngenze lokho Mafura ngaphandle kokuthi ngenze lokho, it is important ukuthi si-honorishe amaqhawe wakithi. Ngizobawa ugogo bangisondezele yena, ngoba ukuthi ugogo unosinki bangisondezele yena. Asiyena njalo angisho ukuthi